I'm all over the place. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to be taking a 217 brush, and I'm just going to be blending out that line. That is not 217. Brushes. Get life together, you know? Let's just get life together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So today in this video, as you can see, we're going dramatic. We want all of the drama for this Valentine's Day. Even if you don't got a boo, you can go out with your girls, go out by yourself, treat yourself. This day is about love, so you can self-love, you can love your parents, you can love your friends. Love everybody. You know, it's not just for your significant other. This look is really to express your creativity because it's like fun, playful, still a little bit flirty. I really like this look. I'm very impressed because I haven't done like a creative eye like this in a really long time. Yeah, I even love the lip. I think it's really cute. But before I get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel, be a part of my mermaid squad, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know whenever I post. And if you did like creative videos like this, please give this a thumbs up. I will definitely create more because I really had so much fun doing this look. I think it looks so freaking good. I can't stop staring at myself. And comment down below what you're doing for Valentine's Day. I don't have any plans yet, but I don't know what my boo has planned for us. If you want to see how to achieve this dramatic, cute, fun, flirty, romantic eye, just keep on watching. Hello, beautiful mermaids. Can you tell I had coffee? So today we're going to be doing a cut crease Valentine's Day look. I did do this last year around this time, but I want to do it a little more dramatic because it is more simplified. It's more wearable. I mean, you could totally wear this one out too, but it's just a little more creative. So if you want something a little more natural that you can wear out to dinner with your man, go check that out. I'll link that for you guys. But yeah, let's get started. And then if you could see this little mark right here, don't mind that. You know, clumsy me. I was cooking and I ran into the cabinet and I hit it like literally right there. So just ignore that if you see that, but let's get started. So I did my eyebrows off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so I'll link that so you guys can check that out to see how I did my eyebrows. And I did prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in Tan. And I'm going to be going over it with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk just to pop the color a little bit. But right now I think I'm going to leave it like this. I don't know if I'm going to use the milk. We'll see. So the first shadow I'm going to be starting off with is Bone Fresco. So I'm going to be taking that with my C512 by Crown, what I always use, and I'm just putting that right into the crease. I'm so excited because we're using these little hearts by MAC, and I think they're going to be so freaking cute. So I'm just going to start with one eye first just because I want to kind of see where my hand takes me. I have an idea in mind, but I just want to see, you know, my creativity. So I zoomed you guys all the way in so you can see all the details that I'm doing with my eyes. Let me know if you guys like this better. So I'm going to be taking Love Letter with this 266 angled brush by MAC. And I'm just going to start, just because I want like a winged out effect of the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start right in the middle. And since I have a hooded lid, I have to kind of start higher than my crease. So I'm going to lean back. And I'm just gonna like put a little dot where I want it. Like same with eyeliner, you don't want to draw the line. You want to work in sections. And then when you get over here, you want to just start winging it out. Now I'm going to take a C511 brush, which is the same as a MAC 217. And I'm just going to be blending out very lightly what I did. So this is the base of the wing that I want to do. Because I want to do a double wing effect. Okay, so now it's still there, but it's just blended out a little bit more. And with the same color, I'm going to be taking a C528, which is a small pointer brush. And I'm just going to be going over what I did. So this is not going to be the neatest when we work, so don't worry, it will all come together in the end. I just dipped it right back in once, and now I'm going to go over here just to really wing it out. And when I go over here, I have really light pressure just because you want that faded look. And then just going back in with that 217 or the C511. So now I'm going to be taking this C416 mini lip brush by Crown. And I'm using this with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And I'm just going to carve out that line just so I can create another line underneath. So I'm going to start right in the center where we started before. And for this part, you want to take your time. Make sure your hand is steady. So you can put it on, like I have a chair that I'm sitting in that has arms. So I'm just going to put that on that. So you can put it on the table or something just so you don't, like, so your hand isn't shaky. You have a straight line. Guess who's back? Oh, he's not the garbage truck. I thought it was the garbage truck. And this look really depends on how your eye shape is. So I have more of like an almond eye shape. So I want to make more of like an oval, just so you can really focus on like the center of my eye. And then when you get over here, you want to start to wing it out. And like I said, it's not going to look perfect, but this is just the starting point. See how my eye looks a little more open just because of the cut that we did? I'm just going to be taking any flat synthetic brush and just blending it out on the bottom part. So for my lid color, I'm going to be taking Vermeer. And I'm just going to be taking a MAC 239, I believe this is. Yeah, I'm going to be taking a MAC 239 brush. And I'm just going to place it right here. And just tapping it where I put the white and right underneath it. And then we're going to go in with a smaller brush just to really get close to where we put the white. So now I'm going to be doing color over here, that love letter color. So I'm going to be placing it right on the outer V because I want to connect the two. So I'm not going to make this as long. So it's going to stop like right here. And then just really flick this into the lid from the outer V. And now I'm going to take it on the other side. And I'm flicking this out to the inner corner. And like I said, you want to be careful with this, just because this look is all about precision. And you want to leave that white alone because you want that to show. So don't go too far up to where you can't see it anymore. I'm just going right underneath it. So I'm going to go in with a smaller pointer brush just so I can really get close in there with that same color. I'm going to wet my brush with the Mario spray and then go back in with Love Letter just to make it more pigmented and the line will be a little more crisp. So I'm going to go back in with that lip brush that has milk on it and I'm just going to put Vermeer and just place it since I feel like it got a little lost. So now I'm going to go in with Venetian Red. I think that's how you pronounce it. Don't come after me. And I'm going to just be going over here just to get some more definition. So I want to do like a halo cut crease, if you know what I mean. And I want to blow this out a little bit more, so I'm just going to go right on top. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow, which is Never Shout Never by MAC. So I put it right in the center and I'm flicking it out. So now we're going to take these little hearts by MAC. It's actually, I made a sample just because I don't have this, I don't own it. So it comes in this size, but I just have it in a little sample jar. So you guys know how I do this. If you don't, I use the Duo glue and I just place it right in the center. This is my favorite Duo because it has the wand, so that's what I use for my lashes as well. So I'm just going to be placing it right in the center of my eye and then keep your lid down so it doesn't stick together. And I'm going to be taking these little hearts with any synthetic brush that you have. I'm going to spray my brush too, just so it really picks them up. And I dump them right into the lid, so it'll be a little bit easier. So I'm going to darken up the crease a little bit more, just so it has like a pop, you know? Now I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber and just darken it a little bit. There we go. Just a little. So that's all for the eye look. I might add on a little bit more once I see how the lashes look with it, but I think it's really cute. It's very different. So I'm going to be wearing the Lily lashes in the style Miami. So I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera and I will come back with lashes on, my foundation on, and yeah, I will come back to do underneath my eyes. So I did my foundation, concealer, highlight, bronzer, because I have a video on all of that already, so I didn't want to be repetitive, and I really want to focus on the eyes. And I also did mascara. I covered my lash band, what I usually do. Oh, did you see that just fall off? And then I tight lined with MAC Feline. So I'm going to do underneath my eyes, and I'm going to start off with my Milk Jumbo Pencil, and I'm just going to be putting this underneath just to brighten this area. And the little hearts, they're not bothering my eye or anything. I made sure I didn't get it too close to my lash line, and they're staying on besides that little one that fell off. So now I'm going to take that lip brush that we used before to use the white on top, and I'm just going to be blending this out. And this is just going to really make that eyeshadow pop on the bottom. And I only want to use 2 shadows for underneath. So the first shadow I'm going to be taking is Love Letter. And I'm going to keep that right on the outer part of my eye. So like right here. And I'm just going to drag it in. And I'm going to mix it with the shadow we have over here. I don't want it to meet up here. So I'm just going to probably stop like right here. And now I'm just going to go underneath a little bit, because we want to drag this pretty far. Just because it's such a dramatic look already. Ooh, I love that. And now I'm going to take that angled brush that we took before and just get really close to my lash line so I don't see the white. And now with that same pointer brush, I just took a paper towel and wiped it off. I'm going to be taking that Never Shout Never and just putting it right on the inner corner. Ooh, that's so pretty. And then taking that same angled brush and the Never Shout Never, putting it to my lash line. So for eyeliner, I'm actually using a lip liner. Just be careful because this is meant for your lips, not for your eyes, but I'm gonna take a risk and do it anyway. I'm gonna use a Magenta Lip Pencil by MAC, and I'm just gonna tight line with that. So if you have like sensitive eyes, I wouldn't use this. I would go find just the color that matches the eye. So for this look, I don't think I'm gonna put on a bottom mascara, just so you can focus on the colors. I think it's so pretty. Love. So the last step I'm going to do with eyes, I think I'm going to put a little heart in the inner corner. So I'm going to take my Duo Glue again, and I'm going to take some tweezers, just one right in the inner corner. So be very careful when you do this. I don't want you to get it in your eye. So I'm putting one dot here, and then I'm going to pick up one of the little hearts with my tweezer, and now just use my finger to really stick it on there. So that is it for the eyes. I think they look so freaking cute. I'm so obsessed with this. So cute. So for the lips, I'm going to go neutral. And I didn't put any blush on just because I really want to focus on the eyes. I want that to be the main focus. So we're going to do a nude lippy. And I think I want to do a matte. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is Really Me by MAC. And I'm going to also be using Magenta lip liner just to give a pink. I don't know. We'll see. I might do a pink ombre. I think that'll be cute. So I'm going to put the lipstick on first. So if you don't want this like ombre effect, you can just do a nude lip with like a brown lip liner. Just something that you would use every day. So for ombre, you really want to make sure you color the ends and then mush it together. Oh yeah. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using my Skindinavia makeup spray, and this is the oil control one because I am oily. And this is going to just set it all night so we look poppin'. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm going to change and then I will be right back. So I'm going to just put the Diamond Bomb How Many Carats right on my chest just to give a nice little highlight. And I'm going to be using that with this BECCA perfecting brush. I love this. I wore this for my birthday and I literally wanted to bathe in it. It's so nice. I love this. Like, look, you see? It's so freaking pretty. So you can go overboard or you could just put a little bit. But I love this. So here is my finished look. I love how this came out. I'm so impressed with myself. I haven't done like a creative eye since like Halloween. So I'm really loving this. Like, I love the little heart in the inner corner too. It's just so cute. And then when you look down, you see all the hearts. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I'm definitely going to recreate this and wear this on Valentine's Day because, you know, I'm extra. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this. If you want to see any more creative looks like this for holidays or just to see it in general, I can always do this. Like, it doesn't have to be a holiday, it could just be whatever. So yeah, if you want to see more creative looks like this, just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid squad. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.